guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, my voice is kind of like weird right now because I just woke up. But I'm vlogging today, and today is one of my last days on summer break. Unfortunately, summer is coming to an end, but I figured since it's one of my last days, I would bring you guys along with me. I'm also hosting bunco tonight, so that'll be fun to show you guys. And that's pretty much it. Just gonna be kind of like an at-home day, prep the house, all that kind of stuff. So hopefully you guys will stick around and watch. But anyways, right now I just woke up. Now I'm gonna go take the dogs on a walk, and then when we get back, we'll kind of like reset the house, get some breakfast going, all that kind of stuff. Brian's working nights right now, so he is going to be sleeping throughout the day. And then working at night, obviously. So yeah, that's the plan for today. All right, we are back from our walk now, and I've been trying to stick to like certain little things that I've been doing in the morning. That way, when I go back to work, I have kind of like a schedule for my mornings. I'm going in a little bit later, so now I have like 2 hours to fill before I have to go to work, and walking the dogs is one of the things that I want to make a morning priority, especially because it's so hot where I live that the morning really is the best time, or else you're having to go like super late at night before it even cools down a little bit. But the mornings have been nice. So that's what I've been trying to do, and then hopefully once I go back to work I'm able to stick to that. But we just go on like a little 15-minute walk. Copper, we're working on his stamina. He can't walk for too long before he's like done and just wants to like lay on the ground, so we're working on it. But yeah, so it ends up working out perfectly for the mornings. That way I take him on a quick little walk, come home, get ready, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so like I said, we just got back, and now I'm going to kind of like prep my breakfast, and then I'll hop in the shower, get ready for the day and whatnot. I've just been having like bacon with cereal for breakfast and a banana. That's been like my favorite breakfast recently, and Brian's on the same like wavelength. We've both been really into cereal for some reason. He started because he just started like eating cereal every single day, like since he's been working nights. He'll just get home in the morning and that's all he wants to eat is cereal, because he doesn't really have that much of an appetite after work. He's just tired. So he eats cereal, goes to bed. So I've been buying a lot of cereal. How many times can I say cereal? But I've been really into Honey Nut Cheerios, so that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast with a few pieces of bacon and a banana. And then I've actually I don't go to Aldi a lot, but I just went recently because I wanted to try it out. Everyone loves Aldi, I feel like. Comment below what your favorite thing to get from Aldi is if you guys go, because I got some iced coffee from there and I do not like it. I think maybe just it's the dark roast, like maybe a lighter roast I would like better from there. I usually get the Stoke dark roast cold brew, which is why I chose the dark roast iced coffee from there. It's just this, looks like that, and it's not the worst ever. Like I'll still drink this, but it's also like not the best ever. So instead of doing an iced coffee this morning, I'm going to make a London fog latte. So I'll have that tea brewing as in the shower. That way I can kind of cool down a little bit because I like an iced London fog. But anyways, yeah, let's get going. Okay, we are dressed and ready for the day. But before I get started on cleaning and everything, I'm going to run to the store because there's a few things that I need to pick up for tonight. And if I get started on cleaning the house, I'm gonna be like stuck staying here. I don't like to leave after that. Like, I don't know, it's weird. Once I get started on cleaning, like I'm in it and it's hard for me to like break away and go do something else and then come back. So I'm just going to do that now. That way I'm not interrupting myself later. All right, so here is the outfit. Look at the shoes, so cute. And then this dress is actually from Target. This is my favorite dress, especially for like everyday wear or wearing to work, whatever. It's the perfect length. It's so cute. It has pockets, and then these sleeves are just so like cute and flattering. And I just love this dress. It is my favorite. It's my go-to. And I got it on clearance at Target, and I wasn't too sure about it when I bought it, but it was like cheap enough, so I was like, oh, another dress for work. Now it is my favorite, and I'm so sad that I missed it when it was like on sale, because I guess they used to have it in like a pretty light blue color too, and sad, devastating. But here's the outfit. Cute. And then look at my little Dooney & Burke purse. I'm obsessed with her. Got her on Facebook Marketplace. She's so cute and I love it. So anyways, yeah, let's run to the store to get a few things and then we will be back. All right, I'm back from the store. I just picked up a few things. I got some milk because we're like pretty much out after I just made my bowl of cereal. I got some sweet tea. This is the Milo sweet tea. My sister-in-law and my mother-in-law really like this one. The sweet tea that I make is more of like off Brian's preference, so it's not super sweet, but this is like a sweet tea. So I got that for tonight. I picked up some Cool Whips because I'm going to make some banana cream pie. So I picked up some Cool Whip, a little thing of cups, some paper bowls, and a few paper plates. And that's everything that I got. Oh, also a bag of dog food. But yeah, so I'm gonna put all of this away and then we will get started on cleaning the house and prepping it for everyone to come over. So taking a quick break from cleaning really quick, and I need to run to my mother-in-law's and go get a little table and some chairs because I think I've mentioned it already, but I'm hosting bunco tonight, so I need an extra table, and I'll show you guys how I set that up. But anyways, taking the pause because I think I also mentioned that Brian is working nights right now, and I need to start cooking his dinner. Usually I'll just make like one dinner and I'll make it like around this time. It's kind of like almost 2 o'clock right now. And then when he wakes up, he'll eat. I'll pack some of it for his lunch and then I'll save mine for later. But since I am doing bunco, whoever hosts, they also make like dinner. So I'm gonna make dinner later. So I'm making 2 dinners today, basically, is what I'm trying to say. But I won't do, so for bunco, I'm making a chicken broccoli, like cheesy rice situation. And then right now for Brian, I'm gonna make him, it's like a hamburger gravy. It's called SOS. It's his favorite. So I'm gonna make that for him really quick. All right, so here is Brian's lunch. We've got the hamburger gravy. This is the SOS or hamburger gravy. And then some rice. This is it. It's a super quick, easy, simple, and it's all with like stuff you usually have on hand. So I'm glad that this is one of his favorites because it's really easy to make. This is Pokey Trav on YouTube. He's going to show us his Pokemon binder. These are all of his favorite cards, right, Travis?
Yeah.
You want to show him? Show us what the outside of the binder looks like because it's really cool. Ooh, I like it.
So right here is like a little button that you could pull on it and then it'll come off so that you could open it up.
Nice. And what's your favorite card that you have?
My favorite card that I have? My favorite card that I have is this Gimme Go Full Art Paradox Rift.
Ooh, that looks really cool.
So guys, your mind might be blown because like a lot of days ago when I was not a YouTuber, I opened up just one Obsidian Flames pack. Out of that one pack, I pulled out this. The most expensive card in the set. It used to be 70, and now it's 50.
Nice. Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna zoom in.
Crystal Charizard EX.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And you said you're a YouTuber. What's your channel called?
PokeTrav. Subscribe down below. I think I have an upcoming YouTube short, maybe.
Ooh, we're excited. Thank you, Trav, for being on our channel.
Bye.
Alright guys, so bunco is over and the house is like cleaned back up. But it was so much fun. We had a great night and everything went well. But yeah, I want to show you guys what I got for bunco. If you're in a bunco group, comment down below because I just am curious. I want to know. Our bunco group has been going for, I think, 3 years. Maybe this is the 3rd year. But it's so much fun and you get a gift every month and that's awesome too. My little hack that the girls have all caught on is to buy something that you want. Because that's always my strategy. I buy something that I want and then I try to steal it and try to win it. But I did that today. I won my own gift. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Since it's back to school, my theme was like iced coffee. So I got this cute little iced coffee cup. This looks like this. It's glass and then it's got a silicone lid, and the straw is not silicone. It's kind of like a hard plastic, but super cute, perfect for iced coffee. And I've been seeing this on like TikTok and Instagram and stuff, but it is this instant espresso. And this is the blonde roast. It just looks like this. Glad I won it because I've been really wanting to try that. And then to go with it, I just got this vanilla brulee syrup. It sounded good, so hopefully that'll be good. But I'm excited to make my iced coffee tomorrow because I'm gonna use this, which is great because I think I told you guys about the Aldi one that I bought that I don't love. So now I can replace it without having to buy a replacement because I got it for my bunco gift. But I love doing that because it's also an excuse to just like shop for yourself for the month. So it's kind of nice. And then, of course, like if someone else brings something that I'm like, I want that instead, then I go for that. But you always have your backup, your trusted thing that you've been wanting. So yeah, excited about that. Now I'm going to enjoy just like a nice, slow, quiet evening. Of course, Brian is working right now. He's on ice, like I mentioned probably like 1,000 times in this vlog. But yeah, so it's just me and I go back to work tomorrow, unfortunately. I feel like the summer just flew by. So yeah, go back to work tomorrow. So I'm just gonna enjoy a nice, quiet, slow evening here at the house. I'm going to read my Bible, do my Bible reading right now, and then I'll probably just go to my room, watch a movie or something until I fall asleep. But yeah, I love evenings like this. We're just like so quiet. The house is clean. I don't have anything to do. Speaking of reading my Bible and all that, that's something I wanted to do maybe in my next vlog, is kind of sit down and show you guys like what I do when I do my Bible study, because I like to use my Bible. My husband my husband has a study Bible that I like to use, and then there's a few sites that I like to have along with me when I do like my study. So if you guys are interested in that and kind of how I do that, let me know, because I feel like it has worked so well for me in actually being able to understand and like retain what I'm reading. Sorry, my cat's kind of shaking the camera right now. But yeah, and just kind of helps me dive deeper into the word. And yeah, so if you're interested in that, let me know. Currently going through Matthew, and I am on, excuse me. Yeah, I've currently been going through Matthew, and I'm on Matthew 8 right now, so I'm right there. I'm just trying to go through the Gospels right now, and then we'll see what I do after that. But if you guys are interested in that, let me know. Yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of the love that I've been getting since posting my last video. Everyone's been so sweet and kind and messaging me just really nice things, so I really appreciate it, and I'm so excited to be back. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.